Hello, welcome to today's class. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to buy and send Polygon, that is MATIC, to your Ledger hardware wallet. For those of you who are new to my channel, I'm Umoren, your money coach. I enjoy coaching and creating informative and educational content on crypto and stock investing. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I highly recommend that you do so by smashing the subscribe button right away. Also, if you find this video helpful, please take a moment to hit the like button. Your support is greatly appreciated. And if you have any crypto or investing related questions or feedback, let me know in the comment below and let me know where you are watching from. I'm so excited to hear from you. So, without any delay, let's jump straight into today's tutorial, how to buy Polygon MATIC and transfer it to your Ledger hardware wallet. Step 1. Log into your preferred crypto exchange. If you are in Canada, the simplest way to buy Polygon MATIC is through NDAX. If you don't have an NDAX account, you can check out the link in the description below on how to open an NDAX account. Additionally, you can watch my step-by-step video on how to open and set up your NDAX account, including how to fund your NDAX wallet within minutes. I'm going to leave the link up here. I'm also going to leave it in the description below. For my viewers outside of Canada, you can buy Polygon on any of these popular crypto exchanges such as Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin. I'm going to leave the links to these crypto exchanges in the description below. Once you've chosen your crypto exchange, create an account and complete the verification process and also fund your account. Okay, so step 2, we're going to buy Polygon. So with your funds already deposited into your crypto account, you're ready to buy Polygon MATIC. If you don't know how to fund your index wallet, check out my step-by-step video on how to add money to your index wallet. For my viewers outside Canada, you can simply buy a stable coin such as USDT or BUSD or USDC on your local crypto exchange and then transfer it to Binance or KuCoin or any crypto exchange of your choice and then exchange it for MATIC. Okay? So, as you can see right here, I already funded my index wallet. So the next thing we're going to do now is just to buy MATIC. The simplest way to do that is just to come on this dashboard here, click on this drop down and search for MATIC. So we're going to be using Canadian dollars to buy MATIC. I want to use all the $10 in my account to buy it. So I'm going to click on max. Then I'm going to click on buy, confirm, order successful. So now that I've bought MATIC, you can just come under your wallet. You can see that I have 5.988 MATIC. Okay. Step 3, we're going to send Polygon MATIC to your Ledger wallet. So the best way to store your crypto is on a cold hardware wallet, such as the Ledger Nano X. If you don't have one, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Make sure your Ledger wallet is already set up. If you haven't set up your Ledger wallet yet, check out my step-by-step video on how to set up your Ledger wallet. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. I'm also going to leave the link to the video up here, okay? So next, we're going to send Polygon MATIC from NDAX or Binance or any crypto exchange that you're using to your Ledger hardware wallet, okay? So step 4, log into Ledger Live. So go ahead and enter your password. So once you're logged into Ledger Live, you need to ensure that the firmware on your Ledger device is up to date. If not, that's the first thing you're going to do before sending Polygon MATIC to your Ledger wallet. As you can see here, I have this prompt to update my Ledger Live version. Okay, so that's the first thing I'm going to do. So I'm going to click on this download update. So it's just downloading the update. Now I'm ready to install this. If you had the prompting to update the firmware, it's going to log you out, then you're going to log back in, okay, after the update. So I have this release notes, just click on continue, and now we don't have that prompt in here anymore. So once you're logged into Ledger Live, we're ready to install the Polygon app on our Ledger device, okay? Go into My Ledger, click on here, My Ledger. So this is where you're going to connect your Ledger hardware wallet to your computer with the USB cord. So go ahead, and once you do that, also enter your PIN code, okay? So now I've already entered my PIN code. It's just loading. Now it says allow Ledger Manager on your device. What I'm going to do is to press the left and the right button at the same time to allow Ledger Manager. So go ahead and do that. So right here, I still have this update firmware prompting. So I'm going to update the firmware again. I have my recovery phrase, continue. So the update is just going on, and you can even see the progress bar on your Ledger device. So this should only take about less than a minute. It's usually pretty fast. So right here it says please confirm the update on your device, and what we're going to do again is to press the left and the right button at the same time to confirm this update. Okay, so go ahead and do that. So on my Ledger it says processing, it says wait for the firmware to update and unlock your device with your PIN. So once the update is complete, then you're ready to re-enter your PIN code on your Ledger device. So go ahead and do that. So right on my Ledger, it says install app, and right here on the Ledger Live dashboard, you can see it says firmware updated. So I'm just going to reinstall the apps again. If your firmware is already up to date, you might not get all of this prompting, okay? So again, on my Ledger device, it says allow Ledger Manager on device, so I'm going to allow that. So you can see right here it says Ledger Nano X firmware is up to date. Make sure it reads firmware is up to date. Okay, so now that we know that our Ledger device is up to date, the next thing that we're going to do is to search for the Polygon app in the app catalog. Okay, so right here on the app catalog, search for Polygon MATIC. So you can see it here, Polygon MATIC, Ledger Live supported. So we're going to click on install. So you can see that it's installing right now. You can see that the Polygon MATIC app is now installing. Now it reads installed. So next we're ready to set up a Polygon MATIC account in Ledger Live. So what you're going to do, you're going to come under accounts, click on add account. We're going to search for Polygon. So this one, Polygon MATIC, click on it, click on continue. So this is installing it on our Ledger device. It says open the Polygon app on your device. So the way you're going to open it is to click on the left and the right button at the same time. So on my Ledger device, it says application is ready. So it's just installing this on my Ledger hardware wallet. So because I already have Polygon installed on my Ledger wallet, that's why it's showing me this option. So, but if this is the first time you're going to be installing this, just label it as Polygon, okay? Or Polygon 1 or whatever you want to label it, okay? And just click on add account. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on receive. You're going to click on this drop down, search for Polygon. So click on this. It says please only send MATIC or ERC20 token to the Polygon account. We know that already, so click on continue. So this is my address, so I'm just going to copy this. I'll copy it. You can see address copied. So one of the other things that you need to do is just to confirm the accuracy of the account that is displayed on your Ledger Live and also on your device. What I usually do is to compare the first 5 characters and the last 5 characters to make sure that it matches what is displayed on my Ledger device. You can see on your Ledger device it says verify address. So the address is displayed on my Ledger device. Authenticate this by clicking on the left and the right button at the same time to approve the transaction and click on done. So I'm going to go back to my index wallet. It depends on the wallet you're using. If you're using Binance or KuCoin or Coinbase, you can use any, okay? So I'm now going to go into my wallet. You can see I have MATIC here, so I'm going to click on MATIC, click on send. I'm going to click on Polygon. I'm going to paste the address that I just copied from my Ledger Live account. I'm going to be sending everything. Note that there is a transaction fee of 2 MATIC. So I usually recommend also that when you're sending any crypto to a new wallet or to any wallet, always send a teeny tiny amount first to make sure that the crypto that you sent from the exchange gets to the destination wallet. Okay, it's very, very important. Once you send a little amount and it goes through, then you can send a bigger amount. That's what I usually recommend. Even if it's not Polygon, it might be Bitcoin, Ethereum, any crypto you're sending. The best practice is always for you to send a small portion first to make sure that it gets to your wallet. And if it goes through, then you can send a bigger amount. Okay, so this is the balance we're going to be getting, 3.99 given the fee. So I'm going to click on I hereby confirm this, send this. Then I'm going to confirm this by entering the authentication code. I'm also going to confirm this in my email. So I'm just going to wait for a few minutes for this to be processed. So I'm going to go back to my Ledger Live to check if it's here already. I'm going to click on portfolio, scroll down, and you can see that I already received it. So it took about 5 minutes for me to get it. It took about 5 minutes. So I'm going to click on this toggle button here to see. And yeah, 3.988. Very, very fast within 5 minutes. So that's just the easiest way to buy Polygon MATIC and transfer it to your Ledger hardware wallet. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe. My website, Umoren.com, is a treasure trove of educational resources which includes tutorials, courses, and other helpful tools that are designed to make your investing experience as hassle-free as possible. If you're new to the world of crypto investing, I highly recommend checking out my crypto ebook, The Crypto Beginner's Guide. This comprehensive guide is packed with 10 step-by-step lessons that covers everything from the basics of crypto to buying your first coin and developing a profitable investment strategy. With this guide in your hand, you will be able to invest with confidence and ease. Head on to my website and get a copy of the Crypto Beginner's Guide and share it also with your friends to help them achieve financial freedom. Let's work together to transform you from a crypto novice to a savvy investor. But wait, there is still more. For a personalized investing experience, I also offer one-on-one coaching sessions. During this session, I'll tailor each meeting to your unique financial goals and needs and guide you step by step on becoming a confident investor in no time. So, what are you waiting for? Visit bloomingUmoren.com right away to start your investing journey with confidence, and let's work together to achieve your financial goal and secure your future. Until then, I'm Blooming Umoren, your money coach.